brought to you by Donkey Kong Country. Oh, I've got some tricks up my sleeve this time. Surely you know what this is. Do secondhand gift from the Bell. See if I can get it. From the Bell, Liv Moss, and it's Dr. Pepper. Maybe I butchered that a little bit, but you get the idea. Show me your moves. Cobalt can do a few card tricks, so we're gonna... Yeah. I used to be able to do the Hindu shuffle. Yeah, you've seen one of these bad boys all throughout last year. What the hell? That's right. Fidget spinner. One of these. And little treat from Frenchie allowed me to get nice Sprite. Used to get these Sprites all the time back in year 2. Summer 2016, I was obsessed with these large Sprites. Yeah, you can see our M, classic M, arches, whatever. I think those are actually called arches, but alright. The other stuff I got with this bonus from Frenchie is a McChicken.